Hey there HMS modelers, this is Josh Willis from the Corps of Engineers. In this video we're going to discuss reach characteristics in HMS. Prior to their computation though, there are a few prerequisites. Number one, your basin model that's selected must have georeferenced reaches. And secondly, within the GIS menu, the pre-process drainage step must have already been computed. And if those two criteria are met, you can access reach characteristics by clicking Parameters, Characteristics, and then Reach. All right, so currently in HMS there are three reach characteristics that are computed. We have reach slope, sinuosity, and relief. And just as with subbasin characteristics, the first time that you access the reach characteristics table, all these computations will take place on the fly, and they will be saved to disk. So if you want to come back and look at these values later on, you can do that. If for whatever reason you go back and change your GIS workflow, then you can come to this table, hit Recompute here at the bottom left, and that will update the values based on the latest data. You can also go into this table and manually edit the values too if you choose to do that. So first off, we have reach slope, and this is a basic one. It is simply the elevation of the most upstream point minus the elevation of the most downstream point divided by the reach length. Next up is reach relief. This is also pretty simple, just the elevation of the most upstream point minus the most downstream point. So in this example here, 500 minus 400, we'd have a reach relief of 100 feet. All right, lastly, we have reach sinuosity. And this one is actually pretty neat to talk about here. So stream sinuosity is sometimes defined in literature as the ratio of the actual stream length to the valley length. So really, all that sinuosity is just a measure of how wiggly a stream is. In HMS, we estimate the valley length as the straight line distance between both ends of the reach. So if your reach is perfectly straight, then you would have a sinuosity value of 1. And the more that the stream deviates from a straight path, the higher your sinuosity value is going to be. All right, well that is it for reach characteristics. We'll see you next time.